Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I got a couple things to show you. I was asked to do a little review for my friends over at SanerCraft. So this is from SanerCraft. They sent me a couple of items. They wanted to send something else, but I had already reviewed that in the past. So they sent me something a little different. So let's do this first. This seems to be a hot item lately. I'm gonna move my camera back. There we go. These vacuums. This is a vacuum, but this one looks a lot different than the last one I showed you. I mean, let's look at it, okay? Let's see what comes with this. Well, first of all, look, this is, hang on. Excuse me. Come on, sun. The sun's coming out, you guys. It's been so cold and rainy and blah. So look what we get. We get some stuff here. What else is in here? Okay, that's it. The box is empty. So look, you get a little tray. Okay, that's handy, right? When you're picking up drills, it's handy to have a little tray to put them in when you're done, right? This is just a little tag. This is some instructions. And look at this. We get a little brush. That's handy too. So we get a couple of extra tools with this one to help us clean up our messes. Excuse me again. Let's see if that helps. All right, so here's our instructions. Let's see what that does. All right, oh, lots of parts and pieces. There's a lanyard, oh, a lanyard. The on-off button, the Type-C interface, a dust screen, a brush, a cover, an indicator light, an air outlet, a trash bin, and a long suction nozzle. Huh. Wow, that's pretty nifty. Okay, let's see if I can figure this out without the directions. You know me, I'm not very good at that, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, so here's what we have. This is what they call, the lanyard. You could like hang it from something, okay? It's got a cute little rainbow at the top. That's nifty. Look, here is our USB. I don't think it actually comes with the cord, though. Oh. It's on already. It's charged and it's ready to go already, you guys. How'd I do that? Where's that button? Oh, right there. There's the button. Oh! It goes even higher. Okay. Well, that's nifty. All right, that's kind of cool. Now, this is neat, okay? Here's like little brushes to help you, go collect things. It's supposed to have like a long nozzle. Where's the nozzle? I don't see this long nozzle they're talking about. Huh. Do we have a nozzle? What's in here? Oh, there's more stuff in the box. There's a little section in the box. Okay, so this just goes on here. How? I'm not sure. There we go. It's on there. Okay, so there you go. We should try it. I should get some drills. See if we can pick up some drills. Okay, so here's this little section in here. Here is our USB cord. So there are no batteries required for this one. You can just plug this in and recharge it. Awesome, right? Yeah, love that. Okay, so we have that. And here is what they call the long nozzle. So this is like an attachment you put on your vacuum cleaner. You can put the nozzle on. Does it go right in here? It sure does. Look. You can put it right in here. Does it twist? No, you just kind of, hang on. You just kind of put it in here, I think. Line it up right. And then look. Okay. Yeah, I feel some suction coming from that. Okay, cool. So you can boom like this. And okay. All right. Hang on. Just hang on just a second. I'll be right back. All right, let's continue. Let's move some of this stuff out of our way. We don't need all of this stuff right now. I might need my tray though. And I got some drills. So let's put some drills on this counter. Granted, it's on a smooth surface on my countertop, but okay, there we go. Okay, let's see how this works. You ready? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. Let's zoom, oh, not out, in, okay, in. Okay, let me move you down. Hang on, that's gonna roll. Rolly, rolly, rolly. It's cute with the little rainbow on it and stuff. It's cute. I always do this wrong. Okay, ready? Let's try this out. Let's turn our button on. Oh, do you hear it? Oh my God, it works. It's so cool. And that was on low speed, you guys. That was low speed. All right, so now, my gosh, now watch me like spill it and make a huge mess. I don't know, do I do it this way? Uh-oh, I lost one. Hang on. Hang on, don't go anywhere. Don't get crazy here. All right, let's see how we do this. We undo this like this. Are they in here? They are. Well, there's some up in the top too. Oh, dang, if I wouldn't have hit the tray, that would have been nice, right? I hit the tray. That is all my fault. I can turn it back on, right? And then they collect right in here. Oh my gosh, I hope you can see this. Can you see what I'm doing? See all the little drills in there? And then you can just tip it up like this. It's still a little messy, but hey, this is a whole lot better than picking all these bad boys up by hand, right? Okay. A bigger tray might be good, but look, here we go. Okay. Just give it a little gentle tap. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let's pick up these other ones. I mean, why would I pick them up by hand, right? There must still be some more in there. I hear it rattling. All right. Oh, I forget. I got an extra speed there. Okay, let's try this time. Let's kind of shake them down in there and see if they'll all stay down in here now. No, there's still some up at the top too. But like I said, seriously, much better way of collecting the drills than trying to pick them all up by hand and stuff like that, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, I think that's cleaned out. Yep, I don't see any in there. There's a couple in here still. We can just go like this. Oh, hey, hello brush, right? Oh my gosh, Mindy. Yeah, use the little brush, kind of collect them. Oh, flung that one. Collect them all into one little spot here, brush them on out of our container. This is awesome. This is really awesome, you guys. That's pretty cool. So, you know, having the brushes at the bottom would help if you're like in carpet. One more came out. He might have been in the nozzle. Having the brushes would be helpful if you're like on carpet or something and you can brush it in the carpet. Okay, I like it. It works. I didn't try the brush part. We can try that another day, but I'm sure it works the same way, right? If that little nozzle worked that good, the brushes are really going to work. Okay. And the fact that you don't need any batteries, you can charge it up. They get a little staticky doing that, but hey, it's all about cleaning up, right? Whatever makes it easier to clean up a mess, I'm good. I am good with that. Okay, there you go. It works. It's cool. I like it. Nice little product right there. All right. Oh, look, I got one more. Okay, there. I'll put him in later. All right, there we go, everybody. It works. It works pretty well, actually. It's cute, too. Look, I don't know. You're going to hang it on your belt loop and run around with it like this? You could. You certainly could. I won't, but you know. Okay, so they sent me that. That's nice. I like it. They also sent this. They were going to send something else, but I had already reviewed that product. It was like the flat paintings in a box, but I had already reviewed those. So I said, well, can we see something else? Because I already did that. So this is what we got. We got a painting. Okay, so it comes with the tray, the boat, the wax, and an assortment of pink pens with different placers on them. See all the different placers? Bunch of placers. Okay, I think I can zoom you out a little bit now. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Is this poured glue? Yes, it is. All right, so let me just say, some of you may recognize this painting because I did it a long time ago from another company, and it was squares, and it turned out, but this, I love this image. And so let me show you what we got. Here is our drills. This one's round. All right. Let's see how this looks. All right. Here is our drill field, first of all, before we go anywhere. Here's our drill field. You see it's just a colored space with a symbol on it. There are squares with a color, and they have some white lettering. Oh, please focus. Why do you do this to me? Make me work for my money. Anyhow, we got some white symbols, we have some dark symbols, and we do have symbols, letters, numbers. Looks like a combination of things. All right, you ready to see it? It's a 70 by 40, and it is these psychedelic horses. I mean, that looks really pretty, doesn't it? Out a little more, thank you. Has 25 colors. It looks really pretty. Yeah, so here's their information. They have, their name is SanerCraft, but like when they email you and you email them, they're called Shamazon. Yeah, so they're Shamazon. They add 20% diamonds. There may be some missing diamonds. If that occurs, just contact them at Shamazon001 and they will help you out. Please complete the torn part in time. That means a section at a time. Sticky? It's sticky. So it's these two horses, this confetti, all these pretty colors. I mean, that looks really, really good, doesn't it? It really does. And then they've got their manes flowing. It turned out, and that looks really nice. I'm impressed. Okay. 25 colors, it's not bad. It's got plenty of color, that's for sure. Yeah, I just called them the confetti horses. Well, first of all, let's measure it. Let's see if it is 70 by 40. I mean, these poured glue, you know, canvases we get, oftentimes the 70 is the whole canvas, and that's the case with this one as well. This one, oh, this is pretty short from 40. It's not even quite 30. It's, yeah, 40 is the whole canvas. So it's got, you know, they lost quite a bit on that one, I will say, but it would have been nice if it was a little larger. The one I did was quite a bit larger than this, by not quite 60. All right, so that's like 10 centimeters, 10 or 11 centimeters. So, yeah, it is what it is. Still looks good in the camera, right? Still looks like it'll turn out and be pretty. Here's our colors. We have some goldy color, goldy brown color. There's a pink, some reddish orange, purple, a bunch of grays, lots of grays. There's another purple, more grays, a little bit of black, a rusty red, and yet another purple. So lots of color, like I said. It's going to have lots and lots of color. A few oranges, more gray, more reds and rusts, blue, pink, orange, some really pretty blues right there. That'll be really pretty. And then we get some cream color. That's probably the background. So it's got gorgeous colors. It looks good in the camera. I think the drills look great. I mean, I never really have any trouble with these drills. They always look really good. Again, focus. Right? They look really good. Want to see the blacks? Look at the blacks. Oh, the black and the red. See? They look really nice. No static in them. They look really good. There you go. Don't they look pretty? Nice and shiny. And so all in all, nice little kit. I don't have the price in my head right now, but I will link it below so you'll know. Both items I'll link so that you'll have the prices and the link to go to purchase them if you're interested. The vacuum is a winner. If you spill drills, man, if you spill drills, you might need that. So that's what I got from them, you guys. There you go. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning. It works. Woohoo! All right, hit the like button and subscribe. Come back later, see more stuff. I'm making videos every day, sometimes 3 a day. Oh, one day I did 5. Oh, Lord. So, yeah, come back and see some more. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Buy a coffee, you know, buy me a coffee. I'm kidding. You don't have to buy me a coffee. All right. I will talk to you soon. Bye.